Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of technology to explore 10 futuristic phones that will blow your mind. From innovative designs to groundbreaking features, these devices are set to change the way we think about smartphones. Let's jump right in. Segment 1. Vivo Drone Camera Phone. First off, let's talk design. The Vivo Drone Camera Phone features a sleek and modern aesthetic with a lightweight build that makes it comfortable to hold. But the real magic happens when you activate its drone 200-megapixel camera. Segment 2. Oppo Slide Phone. The Oppo Slide Phone boasts a sleek and futuristic aesthetic. Its standout feature, the sliding mechanism. With a simple swipe, the phone reveals an extended display, giving you more screen real estate without increasing the overall size. Segment 3. Samsung Transparent Phone. The Samsung Transparent Phone features a stunning transparent body that blends futuristic aesthetics with practicality. Imagine a phone that looks almost invisible while still providing all the functionality you need. Segment 4. Motorola Flexible Phone. The Motorola Flexible Phone features a unique bendable display that allows it to adapt to your needs. Whether you want a compact phone or a larger screen for media, this device can transform right before your eyes. The display quality is simply stunning. With OLED technology, you'll enjoy vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details. Whether you're streaming videos or browsing social media, the experience is immersive and captivating. Segment 5. Neural Interface Technology. Imagine controlling your phone with just your thoughts. That's the promise of neural interface technology. While still in the research phase, companies like Neuralink are working on making this a reality. Your phone could read your mind and respond instantly. Segment. We have AI-enhanced personal assistants. Imagine your phone anticipating your needs, managing your schedule, and even helping you make decisions based on your preferences. As AI evolves, so will our interactions with technology. Segment 7. Advanced Biometric Security. Security is always a concern, and advanced biometric security could be the answer. Think beyond fingerprints and face recognition to DNA scanning or even behavioral biometrics that adapt to your usage patterns, keeping your data ultra secure. Segment 8. Augmented Reality Integration. Let's talk about augmented reality integration. Future phones could overlay digital information onto the real world, enhancing everything from navigation to shopping. Imagine pointing your phone at a restaurant and seeing reviews and menus pop up right before your eyes. Segment 9. Holographic phones. We have holographic phones. Imagine a phone that projects 3D images right in front of you. Companies like Red have already showcased prototypes, and while we're not there yet, the potential for immersive gaming and AR experiences is incredible. Segment 10. Ultra-fast charging solutions. Last but not least, ultra-fast charging solutions are on the horizon. Imagine charging your phone to 100% in just minutes. With technologies like graphene batteries and wireless charging advancements, we're looking at a future where battery anxiety is a thing of the past. 10 futuristic phones that could change our lives. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching.